Hi Franco, Jehan here from ZigWheels. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure for me as well.
So Franco, 2021 season, what is the realistic aim for you personally as well as for the team?
I think to a realistic aim is to try to replicate the performance of last year, the performances that we did on last year. So try to be at least as fast as last year. We didn't manage to do it in the first two races, but then in the third race, we definitely were on the same speed that we were on last year, and this is positive. Now we want to continue like that, and we would like to try to improve also. So we are gonna try to do that. We know that this year the level of the MotoGP has increased compared to last year. MotoGP is a difficult category. The level improves every year, so it's difficult to keep up with these guys, but we try.
Considering that you are on a technically 2-year-old motorcycle and not say the latest spec, what are these the right tools that you have at your disposal, and what exactly do you need to do more to show the top bosses at Yamaha that you also deserve something equal spec? And does that give you the motivation to try harder?
Well, these are the only tools that I have, and are the ones that I have. So I need to do with what I have, because that we are forced to do this, because it's not that Yamaha didn't want or doesn't want to give me the latest spec. Is that they probably they didn't have the power to do it. So the situation is like this right now, and I need to do with what I have, and I'll try to be the best rider that I can in order to deserve to try to deserve something better.
Let's just talk about your two Petronas teammates that you've had so far. Fabio, who was a rookie, and Valentino, who is Valentino. How different is the pit box experience been with Fabio and with Vale? And is there a certain, say, added advantage or maybe a disadvantage that comes with Vale being your teammate?
Speaking about the situation in the big box, I would say is exactly the same between the two. So being with Vale or being with Fabio doesn't make too much difference for me, because when I'm in the pit box, I'm doing my thing, I'm doing my job, and I don't focus too much on the other side of the pit box. But outside from the pit box, for sure, the situation changed. Me and Vale, we are friends, so we talk a lot outside from the pit box. We play, we laugh together. So the relationship outside from the pit box is different, but in the pit box is exactly the same. They are two super strong riders, two very strong riders, so it's easy to remain motivated with such two strong riders by your side.
Franco, you always look very calm and collected, even on the grid when the tension is high. How do you get in the zone? How do you stay cool from the moment you put on the suit till the warm-up lap? What is your preparation like?
Well, I don't have any specific preparation to stay calm. That's me. That's just me. But I'm not even calm. I'm nervous. Maybe I don't show it, or it doesn't look like, but I am nervous.
And speaking of your team, Petronas team, you have a very good relationship with Razlan. How influential has he been with your career, and what is it like being a Petronas team player?
Well, Petronas has given me a great opportunity, which is to show my potential in MotoGP with a great structure behind. So I will, and I am grateful, and I will be forever grateful to Razlan and to all Petronas team. That's what I can say about the relationship between me and Razlan. I'm grateful towards him. Maybe I don't show him all the time because when we speak, we are carried from the results. So we always we speak about results, we speak about performance, but yeah, we get along very well, and I'll be forever grateful for the opportunity he gave me and the all Petronas team gave me.
One of the Petronas riders in Moto3 is Darren Binder. Who has the better hair, you or him?
I don't know if it's a difficult question. It's a difficult question. For sure we are both messy. And he has longer ones.
So how do you guys do it? Because even as you can see, we've locked down over here. We don't have barber shops open. So how do you guys, any hair maintenance tips?
Well, no, I'm not the best guy, the best to ask a hair maintenance tip, I think.
Okay. Some rapid fire questions. Misano or Mugello? Your favorite track?
Misano.
Ranch or motocross?
Ranch.
Italy or Brazil for FIFA World Cup?
I'd say Italy.
Pineapple on pizza or no?
No.
Very good, very good. You win by making the move on the last corner, or you win by just running away with it from the start?
Making a move at last corner.
Okay. And who's the more difficult rider to overtake, Vale or Mark?
Vale.
Okay. Just wanted to get a few more just from the field. This thing. Who do you think is the most aggressive passer, aggressive overtaker in the field right now?
Right now.
Yep.
Well, Mir is quite tough. Mark is gonna come back to be tough. So it's a nice battle between Mir and Mark.
The joker in the paddock?
Jack.
The one who you like to sit behind and follow them and study the lines.
Oliveira. I really like his riding style.
Oh, okay. The smoothest rider of the lot?
Me.
And the friendliest rider?
Jack.
Oh. Franky, given the current COVID situation, how are you MotoGP riders dealing with it? We know that last year there were a few rounds that people missed. Even Vale had to miss something. So, what sort of mental stress does it put it, and how fit are you in tackling this season?
Well, it's tough, but it's like for everybody. It's a tough lifestyle. It's very difficult, but me, in order to keep racing and in order to don't spread too much, don't spread this virus, I try to follow the rules. And I'm forced. Well, I'm not forced, but I want to follow the rules because of these two main reasons. So I try to do that, and I try to be as fair and as loyal to the rules as possible. And that's what I have to do, and that's what I suggest to do to you all.
Okay, cool. Franky, all the best for the season. Hope it turns out to be great.
Thank you.